My name is Simeon Chigger. I'm the Director of Customer Integrations for MSC Industrial Supply Company. MSC Industrial Supply Company is a leading North American distributor of metalworking and MRO products and services. We've been servicing industry for more than 75 years, working with customers to help them with their efficiencies and productivity and growth goals through inventory management and supply chain solutions. Our customers are primarily in the manufacturing space. We service the SIC codes of 30 to 39, and they rely on us to help them achieve their goals of manufacturing their products and getting to market faster. We've been using SAP Ariba for 15 years. We got started with SAP Ariba back in 2000 when one of our large customers came to us with Ariba and said, you can have our business if you can figure out how to get your data into SAP Ariba. Back then it was called Ariba. We actually worked through the night, wrote some code, and tried to find a way to get our data out of our system. We had never done it before, and we've been doing it ever since. MSC Industrial Supply Company works with Ariba on the supply side. We furnish punch-out catalogs, hosted catalogs. We do the whole procure-to-pay process, invoicing, confirmations. SAP Ariba helps us streamline our transaction process with our customers. The network allows us to rely on our website, our mscdirect.com solution, allows us to expose it to our large accounts, and gives us the ability to continue working on enhancing the experience through mscdirect.com and being able to leverage it on the network. Our integrated business has shown to grow faster than our traditional business, which I think is typical. We find that the DSO is better because of the accurate data that's transacted through the network. And we find that the order transaction process is more efficient. So obviously less manual intervention for the orders that come in accurately. We transact with over 30 different networks today. The biggest difference of SAP Ariba is that we have more experience with it. So for us to do the integration, it's typically a shorter time frame to go from the request to integrate to production. In some of the others, it's not as simplistic. Some are catching up, and then there are a lot of niche players that are coming to market that we tend to have to do more discovery and scope on in order to complete the integration in a timely manner. I think the best thing about SAP Ariba is how tied in SAP is into the manufacturing space that we're positioned in. So we have a good understanding of the SAP ERP system and how our customers use the different functionality to support their business, specifically storeroom functionality and the data that's contained in there and how important that data is to the overall procurement process. So it goes hand in hand with punch-out, and we know that when we do an integration with our customers, we don't just address standing up punch-out catalogs or hosted catalogs, but we know that we need to work with our customers on making sure their data is accurate in their storeroom functionality, so that the entire all the different types of the transactions that come through are managed efficiently. I think the advice I would give customers is to make their decisions based on their goals. So, Ariba has a very large network. SAP Ariba has a very large system with a lot of different options. If they're an SAP house, the synergy is good, and I would recommend it to them. But I think, again, it all goes back to the different goals of what they're looking to accomplish. If they're looking to do the entire P2P with all of the different add-ons and tools like contract management, spend viz, there's a bunch of different things I know that the buyer side will look at to help them in their procurement management. I would tell them to take a good look at SAP Ariba for that. I would tell a customer who has recently decided to implement SAP Ariba that to be successful, they need to have a clear timeline with goals and milestones along the way. They have to have a clear scope that they've identified in terms of how they want to take their solution to market. I would tell them to make sure they have a clear owner for data and data governance. I would tell them to make sure they have a central approach to compliance and adoption. And I would tell them to stand up their catalog, their punch-out or hosted catalog first, because that's the path of least resistance. They can get their users to use those tools immediately for their indirect spend, for their spot buys, if you will, and get used to the change, because there's significant change management in standing the solution up, while they work on some of the heavier lifting items, like getting their data accurate to ensure that the process is seamless. The SAP Ariba network for our company is easy to use because its foundation is a standard that we adapt to. We can stand it up quickly, and we can go live with our customers in a quick timeline. So it's efficient for them, it's efficient for us, and when the transactions come in accurately, it's touchless. No one has to get involved, and we like that. It's cost savings for us. It's a win-win for our customers as well. The most valuable aspect of attending SAP Ariba Live is the networking opportunities. Well, I love to see the different folks in the room every year, the people that are competitors, people that we don't compete with, just to talk the language of e-procurement and how things are going for them. More importantly, though, we get to network with our customers, both existing as well as potentials that we've been working with. And it gives us an opportunity to stand up and show our expertise in how we utilize and integrate with the SAP Ariba network. I think the biggest improvement we've seen from SAP Ariba is the synergy between the two companies. SAP brings, obviously, years and years of experience. They're industry leading in technology. And I think that marriage between the two companies is going to be good in the long term. SAP Ariba helps MSC Industrial Supply Company sell simple by helping us easily transact with our customers. My name is Simi Chigger, and I am the Director of Customer Integrations of MSC Industrial Supply Company. I am Ariba Network.